జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. శ్రీమద్భగవద్గీత 3rd chapter కర్మయోగం 24th శ్లోక. గీతాచార్య శ్రీకృష్ణ పరమాత్మ teaching కర్మయోగం to each and every one of us along with Arjuna. Krishna Paramatma saying that, "Ho Arjuna, if I stop performing my prescribed duties related to my family, related to my dynasty, related to my caste, related to my profession, and related to my society, then everyone in this entire world would follow the same path that I am paving to them, which will cause huge destruction to this entire universe. Then I will be the main reason behind this entire destruction." Like this, Sri Krishna Paramatma encouraging every one of us to carefully perform all our prescribed duties. Having Krishna Paramatma's teaching running in our mind, let us now repeat Sri Krishna Paramatma's words as it is. Utsideyuhu ime lokaha nakuryam karma chedaham sankarasya cha kartasyam vupahanyam imah prajaha. Om. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do the following. Krishna Paramatma says, "Keep on thinking about me, become my devotee, keep on performing your duties thinking that it is my service. Keep on remembering the fact that you are my belonging and keep doing namaskaram to me. Surrender to me alone unconditionally. Mamekam saranam vraja. Do not cry. Ma suchaha." Keep on remembering my teachings every day, at least by reading one Gita sloka. Keep on spreading my Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. If you keep doing like this, you will become my most beloved devotee, and I shall liberate you from all kind of sins. Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. "Ho Srimannarayana, I shall keep on thinking about you. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall become your devotee. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall keep on performing all my duties as your service. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall not cry anymore. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall keep remembering your teachings every day, at least by reading one Gita sloka. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. Karishye vachanam tava." శ్రీమద్భాగవతం. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీమద్భాగవతం. నిగమకల్పతరోర్గలితం ఫలం సుఖముఖాదమృతద్రవ సంయుతం పిబత భాగవతం రసమాలయం ముహురహో రసికా భువి భావుకాః. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీసుక మహర్షి. యం ప్రవ్రజంతమనుపేతమపేతకృత్యం द्वैपायनो विरहकातर आजुहाव पुत्रेति तन्मयतया तरवो विनेदुः तं सर्वभूतहृदयं मुनिमानतोऽस्मि. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీమన్నారాయణ, చతుర్ముఖ బ్రహ్మ, సరస్వతీదేవి, వ్యాస మహర్షి. నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. ఇన్ శ్రీమద్భాగవతం ద్వితీయ స్కంధం, Suta Mahamuni revealing to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching the process of meditation to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, samsaram is ocean of troubles. Going through this cycle of birth and death is very dreadful. That is why when people are suffering, how can they not pray Paramatma? That is why, O Parikshin Narendra, Kechit Swadehantaha Hrudaya Avakase. Some people will be meditating upon Paramatma who is there in their own heart. They will visualize Paramatma in such a way, Pradesha Matram. Paramatma's form is about 8 inches. That kind of Paramatma they will visualize in their own heart, some people. And also they will enjoy Paramatma's divine personification in such a way, Chaturbhujam, 4 shoulders, 4 hands, Kanjaradhanga Senkha Gadadharam. Paramatma is holding Padmam in one hand. Paramatma is holding Chakram in one hand. Paramatma is holding Senkham in one hand. Paramatma is holding Gada in other hand. Like this, 4 hands, 4 shoulders, having 4 divine weapons. Such Paramatma is being visualized, picturized by some great yogis, and they will enjoy this kind of Paramatma Swarupam in their own heart. Dharanaya Smaranti. They will fix this kind of beautiful Divyamangala Vigraham in their own heart and keep on meditating upon such wonderful form, O Parikshin Narendra. And also they will start enjoying each and every detail of Paramatma. Prasanna Vaktram. How is Paramatma's divine face? Such a pleasant, charming face. People enjoy such wonderful form in their own heart. Nalinayate Kshanam. And also Paramatma's divine eyes, wide and beautiful lotus-like eyes. Paramatma has Kadamba Kinjalka Pisangavasasam, wearing such a beautiful Pitambaram and yellow Pitambaram. O Parikshin Narendra, Paramatma is wearing so many Hiranmayangadam, beautiful ornaments, Spuran Maharatna Kirita Kundalam, and Bhagavan is wearing beautiful golden glowing crown Kiritam, and that Paramapurusha is wearing beautiful earrings. O Parikshin Narendra, this kind of detailed personification, detailed manifestation, beautiful, handsome, charming, pleasant Paramapurusha, Srimannarayana, Srihari should be visualized by everyone, and this kind of form will be visualized by great yogis, and they will start meditating upon such beautiful form who is there in their own heart. This meditation is being done to get rid of the ocean of troubles. Like this, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching process of visualizing Paramatma in our own heart. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Slokas from Sri Mukundamala Stotram. Bhava Jaladhi Magadham Dustaram Nistareyam Katamahamiti Cheto Masmagaha Kataratvam Sarasijadrusi Deve Tavaki Bhakti Reka Naraka Bhidi Nishanna Tarayishyati Avasyam. Krishna rakshatu no jagatraya guruhu Krishnam namasyamyaham. Krishne namarasyatravo vinihataha Krishnaya tasmai namaha. Krishnadeva samuthitam jagadidam Krishnasya dasosmyaham. Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam. He Krishna samrakshamam. A small correction. In third chapter, 13th sloka, I happened to break a word in a wrong way, so please make correction here. What I said is Yajnasishta Sinasanto. This is wrong. So what it's supposed to be is Yajnasishta Asinasanto. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 3rd chapter, 24th sloka. Utsideyuhu ime lokaha nakuryam karma chedaham sankarasya cha kartasyam upahanyam imah prajaha. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.